How to equip emotes in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily equip them. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left hand side, there's a section of snakes. Simply tap on snakes. Now, select the snake that you are using. So here, I'm tapping on one. Now, here there's a section of emotes. Tap on emotes. So these are the emotes that are available. Now you can easily buy them and obtain them, or here there are free ones too. Here select the one that you want to equip inside your gameplay. So here I'm tapping on one and at last tap on yes. So the emote has been used. Now you can go back and start playing the game. So basically there are emotes that can be used to tease other enemies and opponents. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.